I don't know anybody else. I think those are from the four. We also have Mukula, who's going to be opening route opener. So it's going to be great, you know. Mukula is going to be route opener. We have his son, who's the roll master. So it's going to be lots of entertainment, lots of fun, lots of enjoyment.
My name is Mike Mukula. I'm a driver, rally driver, aspiring rally driver. This is my second event to participate in. The first time I participated in Ginger Rally, codenamed the Sexy Rally. I've come back now for this.
You this time round win was the result. Have you come to compete or just participate?
We've come back to compete. We are currently in the CRC Championship. So our aspiration is to get a good result. And the CRC Championship, we are looking for potentially a win. But if we get a podium, that's something we can definitely be proud of on a finish.
What's the type of your machine?
The type of machine I have is a Subaru. It's N12B. It was made in the UK. It's quite a good car.
Thank you.
You
can
even resembles him, eh? I think it's only rich guys buying it. Coming to know. Demlo ba desu zeino Eastern Motor Club tetulimbangako nomundi gwa kubiri atwa okutekateka motoka ne mpaka wano Eastern Motor Club atutwase mu kuditegeka mu 2019 era ndoza ko olwo kyakirungi ayi kushukuru kubanga kugania abe Kampala omuli abasadanga akosa abakitaka abasadanga basekukusi omwana waifu omusaga twina kefu walubi nemoka ajafuka Mitsubishi Evo 10 ejemuka nensala jetudde kyokubanga lukana basada abe Kampala walubi ali waka alina okulaga abe Kampala wano waka waba waka
waliwo enkebera ya mirundi ebiri waliwo be bakebera nga tonnabana kujja wano kati byajjeko emmotoka nga 5 wana mu 7 maye ekigambo kya safety tukitwala ng'ekyomugaso kati esituuka wano netukebera ebirala netukebera n'abavuzi bennyini n'ebintu bebambadde ebyambalo ebintu ebyo byonna byonna n'emmotoka tukikebera nti eyirodwaze ndowooza olaba IOV waali poliisi weeri n'abantu baffe bennyini tumusooka tuddamu ate ne tusunsula so kati ndikuwezaana mu 3 zokusaana ddala nga 3 ate nazo ziwanuse